So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Traders, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always you are ready to learn a new strategy, talk about a new technical, and of course we are going to share some more insights regarding money management, risk management. In the meantime, if you will be having any doubt, question, query, of course you are most welcome. So before we'll start the conversation, let me tell you one thing, that the comment section is already active for you. In case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, make sure you ping me there so that I will be able to take care of that. Okay, and traders, please make sure if make me sure that if my audio and video is clear, because I have already checked with my device, but I just want a quick confirmation from your end also, so that we can initiate the conversation. And of course you can share the link with your dear ones, with your friends, family, those who are interested in trading, because every now and then we are conducting some sessions where we are coming live, talking about different technicals, trying our best to help our traders in their trading concerns. So let me explain it a bit more. So it's a official channel of Olymptrade where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you make sure you join at that specific window, and you will be able to grab a hold on your trading. Okay, we will hardly wait for 1 more minute, and then we will start talking about the strategy which we are supposed to discuss today. You might have already checked in the okay, so let me just increase the volume, let me just confirm. So you might have already checked in the description itself. The name of the strategy which we are going to talk about is Excel strategy, how you can apply it manually, automatically. Of course I am going to talk about that one. If any of my dear trader who is on starter level and that strategy is locked for you, no need to pay for that strategy, and do not think don't think like that this session is not for you. I will be explaining that how you will be able to use it for free. So Rohit ji, thank you so much for confirmation. Mohan Rao, I hope it's better now. Mohit Nalaji, hello. Amu Pandey ji, very warm welcome. Hi. So I can see that everything is going streamlined, so we should kick off the session. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day from Olymptrade. So today we are going to discuss about a strategy named Excel. Okay, so today we are conducting this session in a mobile view. So if any one of you is using a laptop version or a browser version, so the interface might be different, but one thing I can confirm, that the technical which we are supposed to use today, which we are going to use today, that will be available in both the modes. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning, like how you can apply this strategy. Let's talk about that one. So this is a button which you need to use. The name is technical analysis. It's in the shape of alphabet A. Traders, those who have used this strategy in the past, please share your experience, whether that was good or whether that was bad, because if that's like you were not able to grab a hold, of course I will be sharing my insight. At the same time, if you manage to book some profits with this strategy, so that will motivate other traders also. And this is the main motive of these conversation, where we are connecting all together and we are talking about everything. Okay, so please make sure share your insights, share your experience about this strategy, so that we will be able to help each one of us. Okay, so let's go to the technical analysis. Directly you can go to the strategies, like screen is going to be like this one. We will scroll it down. So these two lines, these two green lines, these are stating that it's an advanced level strategy. Name of the strategy is Excel, can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means forex one. And now traders, don't think like it's an advanced level strategy, so it will be very tough for the starter level one, or it's not something which is going to make profit for the expert level. It's not always about that which level strategy it is. It's always about how you are able to grab a hold. Okay, so once I'll click on that one, a quick description video is there. For now, no need to bother yourself. Of course I will be explaining that one, but in case in future if you miss something, you can explore from here. At the same time, I will be saving this session on the in the playlist section, so you will be able to explore it later on also. Sorry. Okay, So a quick introduction is available here as well. And then which oscillator we are going to use? We are going to use only one oscillator, which we call momentum, with the frequency of 14 and 9. I'll click on enable strategy and then I'll click on cancel. So we can see that the strategy, the technical which we are supposed to use in this strategy, is already visible on the screen. So in this one you can observe that there are three levels, which is 100.006, 100 and 99.985. So we are going to focus on this 100 one. Whenever you will be observing that this orange line, this orange frequency is going to intersect this 100 level, then there is a possibility of a signal. It's going to be similar one, like if the intersection of this level of this line with the 100 level is in the upward direction, market can try to move into the upward, and vice versa. If the intersection is in the downward direction, so market can move into the downward side. Now traders understand two major things. First one is the financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, also invest time. Also trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time, learn about these things, then start exploring the live market, then start making live investments. Second thing, these are just some technical mathematical calculation based tools which are analyzing previous candles, and they are trying to help you to calculate that what can be the direction of the market in future. So 100% accuracy is not promised. So that should be the second reason. Whenever you are going to take a trade on a live account, make sure you do not invest a very big capital in a single trade. At the same time, use your money management and your risk management, so you will be able to stay into the market. Because the basic rule of trading, what does it say? You can make money if you have money. And having money in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that I will make one deposit, I will wipe it off, I'll make another deposit, I will wipe it off, and I will keep on circulating the same way. Now it's always about make one deposit. Doesn't matter whether that is $50 or $500 or $5,000. Use it in such a way that you will be able to use it again and again. Okay, I'll try to explain it in a better way also. So if you this strategy is locked for you, all you just need to go to this search button, look for momentum, click on that one. Same frequency is there. In case if you need to change the frequency, of course you can make the required changes from here. And after that, click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. So traders, I am repeating myself again, no need to buy the strategy, no need to spend money on that one. This can be applied manually. In fact, 95 to 98% of strategy on the platform can be applied manually. So rather than spending money on that one, just explore it once, just check which technicals are required for that one, and then look for the same in the search bar. If you are able to grab, of course you can apply it manually. Okay, so far I have explained how you can use this strategy, like how you are supposed to apply it manually and automatically. Any doubt, any question, just ping me in the comment section. If you understood everything, just give me a thumbs up, or just drop some lit emojis, or you can drop some hearts also. Okay, so just give me a second. Audio is more is better now. I can see so many comments are there, so I will be taking each one of your comment. Nothing to worry. Whatever doubts you have, whatever questions you have, just keep on writing in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one. So now we are supposed to start, or we are about to start some live action. So I will be shuffling my cards. I will keep on shuffling different assets, and wherever I will be finding these signals, like there was a very nice signal but we have already missed it. So wherever we will be finding these signals, we will try to grab that opportunity. We will try to open a trade, and then we will see how it goes. The suggested time frame for this strategy is 1 minute chart time frame, 2 to 3 candle trade time frame we can pick for the now. Okay, so there is a signal which might be there sooner or later. Let me analyze if there was nothing, no support or resistance level. Yeah. And traders, before we'll start the live action, I just want to give you some more quick insights. First one, the trades which I am going to take, or I have taken in the past, everything is going to be on my experience. I am the one responsible for my own trades. Second thing, even though this session is live, we are having a live conversation, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will open in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds or minutes. So please avoid doing copy trading, just focus on learning part, because once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, of course you will be able to use it later on also. Okay, so these are the things you need to focus on. Okay, so market is about to intersect this level but not sure. Let's do one thing, let's try to analyze some more assets. Okay, so this level is quite far from there. Let's do one thing, because slowly and gradually, once you will start grabbing hold on that this strategy, of course you might be able to grab the opportunities whenever there will be an intersection between these two frequencies. So we will be focusing on the direction of the blue one, but at the same time, if we are going to focus on this base level, which is 100 level, mid level, so then we will be focusing on this orange color. Right. Okay, so let me keep on analyzing. In case if we will be able to grab something, of course we will do that. Otherwise we will try to use in a different manner. We will try to focus on this blue frequency. Okay, so far nothing is there. In case if anything will pop up, then of course we will be grabbing that opportunity. Until and unless let me do one thing, let me take couple of comments also. Okay, so hello to everyone. Hello. Okay, so there is one comment from one trader, my life. He's stating that he is getting 89% of profitability. So my life, the reason behind it, that you might be on the advanced level, so higher the level, more the profitability, because for advanced level maximum is 89% and for expert level the maximum is 93. So there is a possibility that a trade which I will be taking on the same asset and you will be taking, and if both trades are positive, so I will be getting more profit. That is the reason that we are also suggesting try to work on your level on the platform also, because profitability is not the only benefit which you are going to get. You will be getting withdrawal on top priority. Whenever you will be taking trades on forex mode, there is a commission being charged with the name of forex commission, so you will be getting a discount up to 20% on that also. Apart from that, the more ahead you will move on your traders way, you will be getting some risk free trade, and along with that, slowly and gradually, whenever you will be reaching to that level, you will be getting one analyst as well from our end. He or she will be conducting groups Zoom session with you, each session like 1-to-1 session with you. Each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where they are going to share their screen talking about different technicals, just to help you with your trading skills. And the best part, whether you are going to take one session or 1000, all sessions are going to be free. So I am expecting some emojis, some excitement on this information, because if somebody will tell me that I can grab an opportunity where I will be getting information, where I will be getting the training and everything is going to be free, I am sure that that is quite exciting to know. Okay, so Rohit, hello, how are you doing today? I am doing good, Rohit. How about you? I have a small question to ask. Usually whatever your seminars and strategies I have seen and analyzed till now, I have seen that we should trade on a trending market. Yes, Rohit. See, this is something which I am always used to tell. Even in market there is a quote, trend is your friend. In fact, like Kunal Kapoor is also your friend, but apart from that, trend is also your friend. So by that I mean to say, always take trade in a trending market. Market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward, sideways, which we call consolidation. Never ever trade in consolidation market. Reason behind, let me show you the example, like what exactly consolidation market looks like. You can consider this market also on the small screen. I'm not sure if I am able to make you understand. So in a short in a nutshell, what exactly the consolidation market looks like. So the market will not be able to breach some high and some low, or the highest level is quite near to the lowest level. At the same time,
green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle. So you will be finding something like that. So that is not the perfect market, or that is not the suggested market where you should trade. The reason behind, you might be able to grab the opportunity, but you might start facing losses with the 1 point difference or 2 point difference, because the reason behind, the another reason is, like, you can also draw some support and resistance level. So market will move from this level to upward and again stuck here, again bouncing back, stuck here. So this is the only field where you are supposed to take trades. So if I'll talk about as per the course, so the lowest quote is 3985518 and the highest is 3985684. So hardly a point hundred, it's 0.100 difference is there just to cater your trade. At the same time, if I am supposed to take a trade on this level, 3985.448 and then 3985.902, so almost 500 points are there to cater your trade. Because when you will be having a bigger playground, of course there will be less volatility, or the chances for going that trade to the negative direction will be lesser. I will try to explain it in a better way also. I am just trying to grab at least one opportunity, so I will be able to open a trade even though it's about to 7. So US market is about to start, so we can assume some sudden volatility as well. We can expect something like that, so nothing to worry. We will be ready for everything so that we will be able to grab the opportunities. Okay, so let me look for something. Okay, so I think we need to use the second rule which I have already shared. So we will be focusing on the intersection of these two, but I just want to focus on the first rule, because the basics are always best, which I believe. Okay, so let me take a couple of more comments. So hello Vikashi, Aritho Datta, hello. Trade, how will we come to know it's going to be a trending market or sideways market? Okay, again nice question, Rohit. See, whenever you are using any technical, any strategy, just focus on, like, majority of them, they are coming in a group, or there is a base level which you are able to find a intersection. So all you just need to focus on the movement of the next line or the next frequency just along with that base level or along with that. So if I'll talk about this momentum, so if you observe, whenever there is a trending market like this one, so both of them are quite far, these two frequencies. But when the market is in the consolidation, they will start touching each other, or they will be, going very parallel, and at the same time they are quite near to each other. So once you will start observing that the difference is not quite good, so that can be considered as a consolidation market. Second thing, whenever the market is changing their direction, whenever there is a trend reversal, or whenever something like that is happening, so also focus on the previous support or previous resistance level. So you will be able to grab hold on such scenarios also. There are multiple things you can focus on while taking a trade. So 3 things which I am always focusing on. First, always trying to grab a hold on a trending market. Second, I am also trying to focus that whenever I am going to execute any trade, specifically when I am using Japanese candle, so there should not be any support or resistance level nearby. And the third one, always consider the previous candle formation also. If you're not very good in that one, just keep a simple rule: bigger the body, smaller the wick, better the candle can be considered. I am repeating it again: bigger the body, smaller the wick, better that candle can be considered. Of course, the wick is in the upward direction or in the downward direction or in the both direction, that is going to create a new set of rule. But if you're new to the trading, at least you should be having a hold on that one. So we will not be taking trades on such candles like where the candle is not that strong. Of course, this is a candle which is going to give you information that there can be a reversal. That is a different call. But also focus the previous generated candle like this one, like this one. So if I am supposed to take a trade on this candle, I will avoid taking trade. It's a very nice candle to be picked. So that's how we are going to consider the formation of the candles as well. Okay, bro, are the charts real in demo trading? Sorry, Ji, it's not a question like you should ask me. You can check on yourself also. Just open your, open the platform, your account in two different devices. In one, you can open the real one. In second one, you can open the demo one. You will be finding exact same codes, same charts. So you can check it. And it's not only about like you should check your account. You can pick any random account also. You can ask anyone. Ishfaq, thank you so much for your love. Okay, so please increase volume of the sound. Muhammad, I'm sure that now everything is fine. Again, hello to everyone. Farah Malik. So Farah gave me one signal. Traders, if you want to share any signal, just let me know on which asset you want me to take a trade, because when I'm having a conversation, so there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that I might be opening a different asset when you are supposed to give like when my screen is visible to you and you are giving me a signal. So make sure you mention the asset name also. I will also try to explore that one. If any opportunity will be there, of course we will be grabbing. Okay, hello to everyone. Okay, so Sakib is saying that his withdrawal is stuck. Sakib, see, standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of withdrawals are processed within 24 hours, but if anything is taking time, I request you just stay calm, nothing to worry. Team is already working on that one. Once your turn will be there, they will be processing it and you will get your money, nothing to worry about that. Okay, even we know that it's a festive season, everybody needs money, so team is already on that thing. Okay, hello. Did you withdraw 500 USD? Alone, yes, I have withdrawn that much amount, but for that one we need to use crypto. Like I use crypto because whenever you want to make a bigger withdrawal, I'm not suggesting that you have to use crypto, or I'm not recommending that one. That is going to be complete your call. But yes, I have made that much big withdrawal, or even more than that also. Try in Astro. Okay, so Rose. Astro was already open. I'm so sorry. Okay, so in Astro there was a signal, but we missed that one. So no worries. Let's try some another assets also. Market is quite slow now. We are not able to grab much opportunity. There was a very nice opportunity on this point. So there was an intersection in the downward direction on this candle. So we were supposed to open an opportunity in the downward for 2 to 3 candle, and even though 2 candle or 3 candle, everything was looking lucrative, everything was looking perfect, but we missed it. But nothing to worry. Rather than taking random trades, we will be focusing on quality. We will not be focusing on quantity. So this is something which I am always suggesting my traders. That is completely fine. You are trading only for 1 hour in a day, or you are only taking 4 trades, but trades should be positive. Okay, so that is also, you should both lines, like which line indicates to take the trade or not. Mohit, in this one we will be focusing on this orange one whenever there will be intersection on 100 level. But slowly and gradually, once you will start exploring this strategy, so you will observe that sometime there are some opportunities which can be grabbed on the intersection of these two lines also. But at that time you will be focusing on the direction of this blue line, not the orange one. So if the intersection of these two lines, the blue line is trying to intersect in the upward direction, so the market can try to move into the upward at the same time, because you can also observe that how it is reacting along with the candle. Okay, so maximum see, Sakib, that is completely up to you, how much you want to withdraw or how much is your limit. So that is completely fine. In case if you have a smaller limit and you have a bigger capital or profit which you have made, so that is completely fine. Make one withdrawal. Once that will be processed, you can initiate the next withdrawal request, because there are no such limitations on the number of processed withdrawal in a day. Like once you place one request, that is processed, then you can initiate the second one. Once that is processed, then you can initiate the next one. So that's how you can keep on making the request. Okay. So which logo you are talking about? The Olymptrade one? I think I haven't downloaded the updated version, or this is the application which I have downloaded in my laptop long back, so that could be the reason. Okay, so hello. Mudassir, I can see that you are looking quite sad. So what exactly happens? Like, if anything you want to share with me, so I will be able to help you. Please 10 trades live now. See, sir, I want to take max to max trade, but the reason behind I will not be suggesting taking doing copy trading, because there is a possibility that we might face some negative results, and that will lead to the negative result to you also. So I will hardly suggest, strictly suggest, please avoid doing copy trading. Just focus on the strategy, learn about that one. There was a very nice opportunity on this level, on this candle, for the upward direction, but we missed, because I have to talk about the strategy, money management, your doubts, your questions. So sometimes we are missing the signals, but we will not try to catch a running train, because that can lead to a accident. By that I am just trying to tell you that if the signal is quite old, do not take trade on that one. We are not going to take trade on in two conditions. First one, signal can be there, signal might be there, signal will be there, and the second one, signal was there. No, signal is there. I am available on that specific asset. I can observe this that specific asset. I have checked the previous support resistance level. I have observed the previous candle. Then I will execute the trade. If any one of that is missing, skip it. That is completely fine, completely accepted, because see, traders understand one thing. As I have already mentioned, you can make capital only once you have capital in your trading account, and having capital in your trading account is possible only then and there when you will be able to grab a hold on that. Okay, so focus on that. Yes, alone I made, like, I am used to make withdrawals, like whenever I have some requirements, I need to make some fulfill my any of the requirements, so I am used to make withdrawals. In fact, I after that also I have reached to 23 somewhere, then I made some withdrawals, and then I moved to 11, then I made it 18, something like that. So I am used to make withdrawals every now and then. So that is completely depending on my choice, or completely depending on my needs, like whenever I need some money or I need to buy something, so I am just making some withdrawals. Okay, so Niaz is saying why it's difficult to do 5-second trades. See, Niaz, like for that one, the reason behind is, just imagine that you are using any technical on 5-second chart to analyze that any specific signal is there. It's taking 1 second. To understand that signal, it's taking another 1 second, and to execute the trade, it is going to take next 1 second, even though that is going to take a bit more. But I'm just assuming like you are doing everything in a in a blink of an eye, and you're just doing very swiftly. So in 3 seconds you manage to execute the trade. Now if you try to analyze the ratio of that 3 seconds behind 5 seconds, so it's more than 60%. Mean to say 60% of the candle is already exhausted when you are going to execute that trade on the basis of the signal which you were supposed to use. Then how you can assume, or how you can expect some profit on that, right? At the same time, but this is something we are also suggesting, that whenever you are going to take trade on any strategy, use minimum 1 minute chart time frame, and then take a 2 to 3 candles race. Only then you will be able to grab a hold on that one. At the same time, higher the time frame, lower the risk will be there, so that can also be considered, right? Third thing, if you are taking trades on 5 seconds, in 1 minute you will be able to take maximum to maximum 12 trades. And if there is some data floated into the market, and because of that there is some volatility in the market, and if that volatility is going to remain hardly for 10 minutes, and you are going to take 10 trades in 1 minute, so your $100 are on stake, right? So this is something, that is why we are suggesting, if you are new to trading, please avoid taking trades. Okay, so traders, we are not able to open at even one opportunity, so let me do one thing. I will take one trade at least on the basis of this support and resistance level, because this resistance level is about to be breached. If this level will be breached, I will be taking a trade in the upward direction. Otherwise I will be taking a trade in the downward direction. Now some of the traders might be observing that the certain level is already breached, so we should pick this opportunity. No, until and unless the candle is not completed, or the difference is quite nice, quite handsome, we will not be okay. So it's about to finish. Let's open the opportunity. Okay, so first trade, Asia Composite, $50. With the help of our RFT, we have opened that one. The reason behind it's about like already 7, so we can expect some volatility in the market because US market is already active. So let's see if we will be able to grab a hold on that one. We will be able to make some profits or not. Let me take a couple of more comments. I'm new to this app. Can I start from now? See, Mojavote, you can start from now, but I'll suggest please learn about technicals, learn about financial market, then start making investments in real funds. Because once you will start making investments in real funds, and in case if you will make some losses, you will not be able to, you know, focus on the learning part. So I'll suggest focus on the learning part first, because I am always suggesting one thing: trading is not about investing money, it's also about investing time. So you need to focus on that part as well. Because if you will check my previous session also, I am always when I am winding up my session, I am always saying keep learning, keep earning. So I am keeping that earning part after the learning part. So that is the main reason, that is the main goal. Focus on that part thing also. Okay, so Rose gave me one signal. Sir, Euro AUD is going down for strategy. I'm so sorry, I have missed that one, but let's have a look on that one. So Euro AUD, let's try to have a look at least on that one. Okay, so if you try to grab that opportunity on this part, that was a nice one. On this part, the market was trying to move into the upward direction, so I believe that you might have observed this one. So that was a very nice try, Rose. If you will be getting some more signals, just let me know. I will try to analyze and I will try to take a trade on that one. And in addition to that, if you want to add on some technical tools along with that one, you can do one thing. Either you can use you can pick some stochastic indicators just to observe the market reversals. You can add some SMAs to follow the trend. So that is completely up to you, because it's like a trend following strategy. So we should focus on something which will be working on the other part as well. So you can either add parabolic with the frequency of 0.02, you can use RSI with the frequency of 10 or 14, whichever you find comfortable, and or you can just use the stochastic with the frequency of 14 to 2. So that is completely up to you. Okay, so can you show me how to get success in that one? See, Niaz Ahmed, I have already explained the strategy. Just scroll it a bit back, you will be able to grab. What role time play in trading? Ashwini, I am so sorry, I didn't got your question. So you are talking about the time frame of the chart, time frame of the trade, or time frame of as per the day, like which at what time we should take trade, or what when we should start our trading days. Just please confirm me. Okay, Manish, hello. Okay, trader Kanaya ji, thank you so much for subscribing the channel, being part of the family, because now whenever we will be coming live, of course you will be able to connect with us. I deposited money, I haven't received, complete 24 hours passed, still not received. Ixafar, I am so sorry if you are facing any issues with that one. Nothing to worry, support team is already there. If you have already raised the complaint, financial team will do the needful and they will be reflecting your money once they will be able to fetch it. Nothing to worry, you have made the deposit on the platform, so we are responsible for that one. We will be taking care of that, nothing to worry, you will be getting it. And okay, so let me take a couple of more. Can you show me how to get success? Okay, so we took one trade, let me see if that trade, okay, so very nice. So we managed to book one profit. So let me show you that on what basis exactly I have taken this trade. So this trade I have taken on the basis of support and resistance, and at the same time there was an intersection of momentum as well. So I got both the confirmation at the same time. So I was lucky enough to grab it at the same time. Like if the momentum was not able to give me that information, I was supposed to take that trade on the basis of support and resistance. And if the market was supposed to bounce back at same time and I was focusing on that thing, I would have already dropped that opportunity. So because that is I have already explained, never ever trade during when the market is stuck in any support or resistance level, or at the same time when the formation of the previous candle is not quite good. So I have focused on the formation of this candle. Bigger the body, smaller the wick, looks like something which I am looking for, and I have opened the opportunity for 2 candles, and we managed to book a profit for that. Okay, so X1, nothing to worry, you will get your money for sure. How to know if the strategy is working or which strategy is good for today or a particular time in a market? Science, see, it's not about that which strategy is working for you or which strategy is working for you. It's always about which strategy you have practiced. So whatever strategy you are learning from any source, either from your personal analyst or from YouTube, from your friend, anyone, any source, I'm always suggesting please explore it on your demo account, try it on there, open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades, and then conclude whether that strategy is working for you or not. 2 reasons. First one, I know 70 to 80, 100 trades, that is going to consume some time, but that is not going to consume your capital. Okay, first thing. Second thing, when you will start using that strategy on demo account, you will find multiple more set of rules which you will start exploring, because every trader is having a different trading style. If I'll give you a quick example, martingale. Some traders are keep on multiplying the amount, they just double it up. Whenever I am using a martingale, I increase the capital but with a specific percentage. So everybody is having a different set of rule, a different set of trading types. So you should also explore your style first. So you will be able to explore it only when you will be using it on your demo account. Because on live account there is a possibility you will start doing some revenge trading, you will start doing some aggressive trading, and that is not something which we are looking for. Okay. I haven't faced any problem with my withdrawal. Come in alone. See, this is something like which we are always focusing on. See, everybody knows that if somebody is raising a withdrawal request, so of course they might be having some requirement for the funds. We also consider such things. We also consider a focus on such parts, and we are also trying to process it as soon as possible. But the standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. So that is why we are suggesting please stay calm. Do not use your that capital to make some do some over trading, and then that can get cancelled also. Which is the best times to trading? See, Niaz, if I'll talk about my trading time windows, so majority of the trades I am that my trading session lies between somewhere around 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time to 5 p.m. This is only the personal like 1 to YouTube sessions when I am trading during these time windows also, because majority of time I am already done with my particular day target as well, and at the same time I am not that much used to trade throughout the day, because there is a term which we call analysis paralysis. So if we will keep on focusing on one thing, so slowly and gradually our mind will start making some assumption that that specific thing happened at that time, so that can be repetitive again. There is nothing like that one. Whatever is happening on the market, you should be focusing on that. Now see, market is stuck in the support level, market is trying to breach that level but not able to, this one, and market is bouncing back. Let's do one thing, let's take another trade for $25 in the upward direction. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, so I was stating 11 a.m. Indian Standard to 5 p.m. and see, I'm not saying that in US market you will not be able to make profit or you will not be able to grab the opportunity. There are traders, those who are making profit in that window also, but I'm quite lazy about making another analysis and working on this my technicals again. All you just need to change the trade time frame from 2 minutes to 3 minutes or some like sometime like these small changes are required to be done, but I am quite lazy for that. And at the same time I am used to cover my daily target before that, so that is the reason that I am not trading too much. So 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. is the window which I am trading. Okay, so verification problem, my account banned. Trading skills, I request you make sure complete the verification so that team will be doing the needful and they will unblock the your account. Just connect with the support team or just drop the email to the support team. They will be guiding you that what exactly is required to be uploaded. And traders understand one thing: whenever any verification or something is like going on, it's not like that we are going to ask you something very fishy document. It's only the screenshot from which platform you have made, or you just need to share the screenshot of the statement where your account number and your name is visible. That's it. So some small basic information, some basic documents we are looking forward, which you can fetch within a couple of minutes. So make sure you upload it, and team will do the needful, and then they will unblock your account. Okay, Rose, I am so sorry, buddy. I am so sorry. I miss your signal again. Verification trading skill G, I request you please do not spam the same message again and again. Nothing to worry. Support team will be doing the needful. Just drop them an email. You can drop them email on support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will be guiding you. Sir, please give me a strategy to trade. Mohammed Toyab, you can use any strategy like the one which we are discussing today is Axel strategy. Apart from that, we have talked about n number of strategies, so you can explore the playlist part. You can also subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Urdu, and on different days we are coming live in different languages. In 8 different languages we are conducting sessions on this channel. So just join as per your suitability or your comfort zone, like you are comfortable with whichever language, like Thai, Arabic, Portuguese, whichever you are comfortable. Okay, so again, hello to everyone. Ratna, ready? Hi. Okay, Ratna, see, if I talk about the strategy momentum we are going to use in this one, so all you just need to focus on the intersection of these two, specifically this orange frequency with the mid level, which is 100 level. So there are 3 major level. 100 point, if I zoom out, just a moment. Yeah, so there are major 3 levels. 100.111 or like that will keep on showing the different frequency. The more zoom out you will be doing, the mid level is 100 and the bottom one is 99.916. so whenever there will be an intersection of this frequency with 100, there can be a signal. We will be focusing on the movement of this orange one. So if the intersection in the upward direction, market can try to move into the upward or vice versa. Let's see how was the second trade. Okay, so the second trade was also nice. That was also positive. That was a completely based or focused on the support level. So let me give you a quick brief about that one. So what I was observing, so market was stuck in this level 3 times. The first one, second and third, and again when the market was trying to breach that level, market was not able to, and market bounced back. So I have taken that trade on the basis of support level, because if the market will be able to breach that level, then market can try to move in the same direction, in the same trend for next 2 to 3 candles. But if market is not able to, either market will get stuck in the consolidation or will bounce back. And if I'll check the previous record, market stuck, bounce back, market stuck, bounce back, again stuck, bounce back. So I was trying to follow the same rule. So if you focus on support resistance, it's quite easy to understand, quite easy to focus. Like once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, you can make lucrative profits even if you are using support or resistance, and on the composites if you are using it. But again, I am suggesting one thing. It looks very simple, but you have to practice it also. It's not always about that you will be focusing on the previous support level or which one. You need to have a quick look on that one, and then you will be able to grab a hold. Or you can do one thing, either you can use the Fibonacci band, Fibonacci fan, or you can just draw the lines. So that is completely up to you. Okay, so Amandeep is saying, sir, my trades are not showing on chart, so I had to download Olymptrade Flex to see. Aman, I'm not sure what's the reason. Just make sure that your application should be updated, or just try to open the application in the browser, it should be visible there as well. It should be visible. So there is a possibility that you might be using an outdated version of the application. Just make sure you download the current one. Jord, hello, time of trade. So Ashwini, for this strategy, suggested time frame, chart time frame is 1 minute minimum. Suggested trade time frame 2 to 3 candles. So if you change the chart time frame from 1 to 5, so trade time frame will also be changed. So like if you are changing it to 2 minutes, so 2 to 3 candle means 2 candles means 4 minutes, 3 candle means 6 minutes. If you are changing the chart time frame to 5 minutes, so it's a simple calculation. 2 to 3 candle means multiply the chart time frame with 2 and 3. So there is now you might be having a question, sir, 2 or 3, which one we should pick up? So that you should pick on the basis of back testing whenever you are going to start your day, like 11 a.m., 12 a.m., like 12 p.m. Whenever you are going to start your day, make sure you just spend quick 15 minutes and analyze that which window is more suitable. So what we will be doing, we will just make a quick back testing. Okay, if I would have opened a trade on this point, 2 candle trade was positive, 3 was negative. Again 2 candle was positive, 3 was negative, 3 was positive, 2 was negative. So we will try to analyze at least 50 trades, and then we will try to conclude that which time window was having more accuracy. If 2 were having more accuracy, okay, I should pick 2, otherwise 3. Now there is one more catch. It's not should not be like that you are analyzing a Asian market and using that time zone on US market. Make sure you analyze the nearest one. Or Asian and European market can be considered on the same pace, like sometime you will be able to use with the same time duration, but on US market sometime you might need to change some set of rules. Like all you just need to change the trade time frame. So make sure you analyze according to that. Okay, so sooner or later we can expect a signal on this one. Let's see. Okay, so sir, I'm using this app same month but no any deposit and withdrawal problem. This is a nice app. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see, Rose, you're not facing any difficulties, and we will try to keep these things same as it is, or we will try to make them better as well for sure. Sanjeev ji, hello. Brijesh ji, hello. 5 Life is saying if someone is profit, please help me for trading. See, 5 Life, I'm sad to see that you are making some losses on the platform, but I request you just let me know which strategy you are using, or if you are using something or not. And if you are new to the trading, I request you please work on your technical also. Please invest some time on that as well. Yahya ji, hello. Khudai Noor, hello. So can you tell me the name of the tool? Okay, Sanjeev, today we are using the name of the strategy is Axel, and the tool which we are using, that is Momentum. Let me just give you a look. Momentum. So it's with the frequency of 14 and 9. Okay, can you tell me which indicator you used? Okay, so Valamarthi, I hope I have already answered your question. So the strategy name is Axel. If that strategy is paid for you, no need to pay anything for that one. Just to unlock that one, you can just apply the momentum directly from the tools. Just go to the technical, just type momentum, and you will be able to find it. And once you will apply it, like for another strategies, in case if you want to make some amendments, click on that one, make the requirement amendments. Don't click on this close one, remove or reset. Just click on the back, click on these 3 dots, click on save button, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. And traders, this is something which I am always suggesting to every trader. Do not focus on buying the strategy, just focus on the applying the strategies. Because let me show you one more example, just quick example. See, if I'll show you one example, so it's a double Bollinger strategy. If I'll click on unlock, I need to pay $9 for that. But if I want to apply that strategy, what exactly I need? See, all we need Bollinger band with the frequency of 20 and 2, 20 and 3. So rather than buying this strategy, what I will do, I will just go to the search, look forward for Bollinger, 20 and 2 is there. Again, look for Bollinger, 20 and 3 is there. Click on these 3 dots, next, and your strategy is ready to be used. It's already visible on the screen. So this is how you can apply any strategy. Like majority of the strategies can be applied manually, so rather than buying them, use that capital to make trades. Okay, so Ratna is asking what is this blue line? Sir, blue is also a frequency. You can also try to grab a hold on that one. Once you are not able to grab opportunities on the basis of this orange frequency, like 9 frequency intersection with the base level, slowly and gradually you will start observing that whenever there is an intersection between these two lines, they are also trying to give you analysis like direction of the market. But sometime you might be able to grab a hold on that one, sometime you will be finding some sudden reversal as well. So that is the reason that we are not suggesting to follow that one. Now see, if you would have opened a trade on the intersection of these two, so the trade, there was a possibility of negative trade. At the same time, let me show you some more examples. Like this one. Now see, you might have observed something. So whenever these intersections are like blue and this orange, 9 and 14 intersections are below 100 level, so they are making some signals. But when they are on the upper side of 100 level, so they are creating some confusions. So once you will start using this strategy, you will be able to understand so many another different set of rules. You will be able to grab a hold on that one, and that is the reason that we are always suggesting use it on your demo account first, traders. Open at least 70 to 100 trades. Of course you are going to waste some time, you are going to miss some opportunities, but of course you are going to hold your capital, which will help you to make profit after that. Because once you have a strategy, what exactly you need, what else you need? Money in your trading account. And having capital in your trading account doesn't mean I will make a deposit, I will practice it, the strategy, once I'll grab a hold on that one, I'll make another deposit. No, this is a tendency which you need to focus on, which you need to change. Whatever the deposits which you have made, make sure you use it wisely, you use it in such a way that you will be able to use it for a longer duration. Okay, so Ratna ji, I hope I have answered your question. Mehboob Ahmed, hello, very good evening. So traders, I am requesting again before winding up this session, in case if you miss something, if you have any question about regarding this strategy, of course we will not able to make much trades today in today's session, but at least I hope that I have already explained the strategy, how exactly it works. And at the same time, if you are new to the channel, I request you, please subscribe the channel, please be part of the family, because whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to get a hold on us, you will be able to connect with us, and you will be able to discuss your doubt, question, queries, and at the same time we will be able to explain some technical, some strategies, fundamentals, so that you will be able to grab a hold on the market. Okay, so traders, before winding the session, just a quick request which I have already made. Subscribe the channel. Now the second one, please share some feedback about today's session or the previous conversations we had in the past. So you can give me your feedback from 0 to 5 star. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. In case if you are going to give me 0, completely accepted, no hard feelings, no grudges, nothing at all. Because see traders, understand one thing, we are sparing our time to help you. If you are not getting that specific help, that is not going to make any sense. So just share your experience. If anything is required to be fixed, if anything is required to be worked on, then you can, slowly we will be able to improve. Mehboob ji, same here, nice to meet you too. Rose, like if I'll talk about my overall target, like that is keep on fluctuating. Sometimes it's 300, sometimes it's 500. That is also depending on my needs. That is also depending on the target which I have, like how much I have already made in the past, like in the previous month. So that is keep on changing, but throughout the month that is supposed to be same. It's not like that today I have a different target, tomorrow it will be different. Throughout the month or throughout the 15 days, that is going to remain same, but that is keep on changing after 15 days or after 1 month. Today I learned the momentum oscillator, how to use it. Thank you, sir. You are most welcome, Mr. Yoha. I am happy to see that you understood something, and I'm sure that it will also help you to make some profits on the platform. But again, I'm requesting everyone, please use it wisely, use it on your demo account first. If you will be finding any difficulties, feel free to connect in the upcoming sessions. We will try to explain it again. because whenever we are talking to you, you can share your experience, you can share your doubts in the comment section, and I am still waiting for your feedback. So 0 to 5 star, or if you're lazy like me, like if you don't want to write too much, you can do one thing, just give me some emojis like hearts, lit, thumbs up, anything, whatever you want to. So I am still active for next 1 minute. Any doubt, question, query, everything is most welcome. And I'm also expecting some feedback, some emojis from your side, some reactions from your side, just to see if everything was interactive, everything was quite useful for you. So because this is the only motto we have, that just to connect with our traders, just help them with their trading concerns. And traders, till that, I request you, just stay safe, stay healthy, and I wish you very, very happy Diwali from my side, and from my, like, from Olymptrade side. I wish you very happy Diwali. I'm sure that this festival will bring so many happiness to your family and to your life. And yeah, so thank you so much, Rosa Masti. Thank you so much for your love. So okay guys, let's wind up today's conversation, let's wind up today's session. So thank you so much again, thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning, and make sure use it wisely, use your capital wisely. Thank you so much again, thank you so much, take care, cheers. This was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Take care.